Welcome to the world of Superview. South Africa is the dominant force in global rugby. But what happens on the field was actually the result of what was created off the field over many years. That motivated us to create a world-class platform called SUPA Rugby to grow the next phase of champions. There is nothing like it in the world. So let's get into it. SUPA Rugby comes in two flavors, the free tier and the paid tier. The difference is that the pro tier allows you to upload your content to a content delivery platform. The free tier works with embedded content that you can store privately on, for example, YouTube, and adding that URL inside your free tier channels. We have also added a special section for school legends whose careers started at your very own school or club. To sign in is pretty simple. For schools, you check if your school is already in our database, but if not, claim your school name first. The other difference is that free tier does not have the monetization and advertising components. So you have all the tools to create an amazing rugby management platform that show your videos, streaming galleries, player stats, and about 42 other functions all in one application. And the free version will help you get familiar with how this works. This product does not require any video experience or technical knowledge. What you have seen on the screen is the website that is automatically built for you on the front end based on the content you entered on the back end. So on the screen, you will also see the coaching staff and the governing body. So now that you have some idea of what your viewers will see on your website, we'll now explore what the back end looks like, where you will put everything together. There are over 42 functions that you can explore within SUPA Rugby. We will only focus on the ones you will probably use the most every day. The first thing you would want to do is complete your profile and branding for your website, adding images for your logo and your banner, the name of your organization, your website address, email, city, and a contact number. The content delivery network is where you will spend most of your time because this is where your media library lives for all your videos and images. The CDN is also where you will either upload or embed your videos into your channels. The next tab on our list is channels, so you can create unlimited channels for all your rugby teams. Think of rugby channels as folders, and inside those folders are all your playlists, like your live games, the coach's corner before and after the games, highlights from previous games, interviews with the players and the coaching staff, behind-the-scenes footage of the players in the gym or on the training grounds. Don't miss any special moments. Whatever you have on YouTube from past games, you can also embed that URL here within channels. You also have granular control of what you can place inside channels, like who can see the video footage, maybe only the subscribers to your platform. At this point in time, we have not even covered 1/3 of what you can do with SUPA Rugby Pro. What if you could also control the look and feel of how your content is displayed? Maybe you like the Netflix-type layout for your content, or the YouTube cards. What about a Spotify list, or a gallery masonry? Or you just want to show the fact that your school or club also have their own television channels that you own and control. That would be a game changer, right? And think about it. You can do that for free. This next topic is a special one. It's called Live Studio. Imagine each school can record with 10 mobile phones or cameras for free to record the games with no software to download. Let's take it a step further. OBS integrated, and you can stream directly to your school channel. Wow, that will be so amazing. Well, that will simply be the second best option. For the pro customers, they have the front row seats. It's called Pro Streaming. Think of having your video wall where you view your stream, add pro camera sources, plus the 10 live studio cameras. But it gets even better. Everything is integrated, including OBS. On top of that, you have a control monitor to select which camera should show its content. You also have 2 teleprompters, a mini or a full-screen teleprompter to have your scripts in front of you on your screen. Whether you want to commentate a game or use it for conferences, the use cases are endless. I will leave those thoughts with you. Now let's get back to why we want to grow the next group of world champions. Player stats and giving coaches less things to worry about is key to that question. They say what you can't measure, you can't manage. In today's competitive environment, that is so true, because players need to know and be able to show why they need to be considered for that position. The maths don't lie. So players are at the heart of everything we do to help them excel. Our next topic is match control. Instead of buying 8 or more different apps to run your live games, you may have noticed that everything is fully integrated into one app. You have an integrated scoreboard before the match to show which players are in the starting lineup. From that moment forward, you control the entire scoreboard from tries, conversions, penalties, yellow cards, red cards, and free kicks, All of this features is available throughout the live match and is a consistent feature at the relevant times you choose to display it. It's that simple. But how do you toggle the different controls? Well, that's the job of the broadcast overlays. Here you can toggle various functions on and off as shown on the screen. Tip: you can also create your own templates. Currently, the scoreboard shows in the top left corner and yellow and red cards, displays for 5 seconds in the middle of the screen. You may also choose to add highlights of the different games, like showing the tries and conversions. Another tip: some functions have more than one variation. Our next topic is publishing. This function can be allocated to different senior students who can write or prepare the draft for the coach to sign off on. This is a very important task, as this is a communication that goes beyond just the learners or clubs. You are now activating supporters, fans, parents, so this is the glue that keep communications together. You can also schedule the date and time when you would like the article to appear on the website. Share and promote. Even though we are creating your website automatically from the information you provided in the back end, you can also choose to show it on your own website or wherever your audience is. This makes it convenient if you already own a website domain or social media. So just click the already generated code for all of those media and paste it onto your website. This is a white label product, so only your brand is displayed. The next topic is unified communication. Imagine you can communicate across all your social media platforms from just inside your website on one screen. There is no need to first open Facebook, then Instagram or X. All your messages appear in one place and you can respond directly from one pane of glass. So talking of supporters, did you know that you can also add all your supporters directly on your back end? This should not be confused with another function for subscribers, who are people that have signed up based on the various categories available. All your client interactions is stored directly in your customer relationship dashboard. There are a few more sections we wish to highlight. When you have completed your embedding or have uploaded all your content, you should return to the dashboard, the first tab at the top of your back end. There you will see a summary of all the different sections you completed. Every SUPA Pro project comes with a mini site store where you can sell products to your fans. You can enter your own pricing and upload your images for display in your store. To conclude this part of the introduction to SUPA Rugby, you should also see a tab called Club Sections. Each one of those sections all have toggles where you can hide certain content on the front end of your website. Maybe you need time to complete your news section or upload information or your videos, but you have not yet completed those tasks. You can complete the task in your back end, and when you are ready, you can make it visible to viewers on your website. In a follow-up video, we will only be looking at the pro features, like monetization, advertising, onboard sponsors, and many other features which was not covered in this video. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next episode.